Where to find the OReality audio settings, which is for Realme phones with Android 14 or Android 15. To get the best possible sound experience on your Realme phone, you can use the quick access here and go into the settings by tapping right there. Once you're in this section here, you're going to see these different options and you're going down to where it says sound and vibration. Once you enter here now, you'll see all these options and go down until you see the part that says OReality Audio. Some phones may appear in here or to the very bottom. And once you're there now, you'll see these different options. Keep in mind that it's always best to have a Bluetooth device connected to your phone to make use of these features here. So smart, you got the music here, and you also have the movie here option. You got the gaming option here. And finally, you got this one right here, the OReality Audio. This won't be available unless you have a Bluetooth speaker or Bluetooth headphones or earphones connected to your Realme phone to get access to this toggle here and make use of it. And once you have this all set up, you are good to go, like and sub.